Okay, this is the hissing sound. See the blue light is way over there. It hissed again, and it brought it right back over by the red light. So it's still making the sound. And there it goes. It's making a hissing sound, and the blue light is doing whatever it wants without being touched. And when the blue light goes back over there, it's going to make a hissing sound again. That ugly scar right here, that's where it lined up on the picture and using the framing, but when I went to print it, it started doing whatever it wanted. The blue light still hasn't gone back over yet. The hissing has pretty much stopped. I'm gonna see if I can move the red light to see if it'll cause that blue light to move again. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed, which is a little difficult. There we go. I can't even get the red lights to move over in that direction. So there's no way I can focus it. And I'm not sure how long it's going to take for it to come back over there. Let's try turning it off and turning it back on. Turned it off, waited for it to come back on. Nope, still out of focus. Let me try moving the lens up and down, see if that'll do it. It's all the way down, and that's as close as I can get to it. But again, I've already told you I can't move the red light. Sorry. I can't move the red light any farther over on that side without me hitting the green case.